What's going on, everybody? Got another video here for you. We got us a nice little word problem here, upstream and downstream. So it says a boat travels 24 kilometers upstream in 3 hours and 24 kilometers downstream in 2 hours. Find the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the current. All right, well, let's get going here. So let's start out by letting B equal the speed of the boat in still water. And this is going to be in kilometers per hour. Okay. And then let's let C equal the speed of the current. And that's going to be in kilometers per hour. Now, we could have used X and Y. You know, it doesn't matter. You can use whatever letters you want. I just use B for boat, C for current. Just easier to keep track of. Okay? All right. So, when traveling upstream, the speed of the boat is what? Well, it's the speed of the boat minus the current, because you're going into the current. And then when traveling downstream, the speed of the boat would be what? And yes, you probably guessed it. B plus C, the speed of the boat plus the current. Now, let's keep in mind that distance is equal, let me write that in a little bit different color, that distance is equal to rate times time. Okay? All right, so we know we went 24 kilometers. Let's just label this upstream. All right, let's set up an equation for upstream. So it's distance equals rate times time. So this is the rate upstream. And we're traveling, and we do that in a time of 3 hours. So it's rate, which is this, times time. So 3 times B minus C is equal to what? The distance. What's the distance? The distance is 24 kilometers. And now let's look at downstream. Okay. So this would be the rate downstream, which is that, and this is the time that it took, 2 hours. So setting up our equation, we've got rate times time. So that's going to be 2 times B plus C equals the distance, which is 24 kilometers. All right, so let's take this and divide it by 3. So that's going to give us B minus C equals 8. And let's take this equation and divide everything by 2. That's going to give us B plus C is equal to 12. Well, look at this. Look what we have here. We have B minus C equals 8, and B plus C is equal to 12. We have us a nice little system of equations to solve. So if I add the two equations, B plus B is 2B, negative C plus C is 0, and 8 plus 12 is 20. And then if I divide both sides by 2, I get B is equal to 10, and that would be kilometers per hour. So that's the speed of the boat. Now we need the current. Well, I'm going to take the B and I'm going to plug it into that equation right there. So replacing this B with a 10, that's going to give me 10 plus C equals 12. subtract 10 to both sides, and I'm going to get C is equal to 2 kilometers per hour. And there's your solution. There's the speed of the boat, there's the speed of the current. I hope that video helped you. I hope you enjoyed it. Check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, subscribe, comment, and I will see y'all in the next one. Later.